Good afternoon, Mrs. Brock here. I am so excited to come to you today with one of my favorite chemical demonstrations. This is called the yellow and blue switcheroo. It's also known as the Briggs-Rosha reaction. And I'm going to start by mixing 50 milliliters of three different chemicals. We've got potassium iodate acidified solution, 50 milliliters of that. And 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This is not the hydrogen peroxide that you can buy at Walmart or Winn-Dixie. This is much stronger than that. This is 8.6% concentration. And once we have these mixed together, I'm going to turn on the magnetic stir. And now we can add our final ingredient. This is starch malonic acid manganese sulfate solution. And the starch in there is important. That's an indicator. It's going to turn blue in the presence of starch. There's my 50 milliliters. And pour that in. Okay, we have about 12 different chemical reactions that are going on right now. This is a very complex process, but basically what's happening is we have the concentrations of iodine, I2, remember it's diatomic, and the iodine ion, so that's going to be I minus 1. The concentrations are fluctuating. They're going up and down. And when we have a high concentration of iodine and the iodine ion, iodide, then we get this nice golden yellow color. I'm going to turn this up a little, see if we can make this change a little faster. Now, as these reactions are happening, our concentrations are rising and our concentrations are falling. And when we get a very high, oh, there it went. When we get a very high concentration of iodine, but not iodide, we see this blue happen. And now it's clear. That means we have a low concentration of both iodine and iodide. And back to, this is so exciting. I love oscillating reactions, and that's what this is. It's oscillating between different colors, or it's moving through different colors as the iodine concentration changes, as well as the iodide concentration. And this is probably one of my two favorites. Now, I know somebody in class would say, Mrs. Brock, how long will this go for? Well, this will continue for about 15 minutes before the reaction runs out and changes to that amber color and just kind of stays there. I just want to tell y'all, I miss you so much. I miss being in the classroom with you. I know you don't see me, but I am on Edgenuity every day looking at your progress and cheering for you. And I hope to be able to bring you more of these videos. I'm going to step out of the way so you can watch it for a little bit longer. I miss you.